Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with a really quick video, guys. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to turn on the warning if you have left your S Pen behind. Okay, so what that means is if you've taken out the S Pen and you've left it on the table and you've picked up the phone and you've gone somewhere with the phone, it will give you a warning on the display to let you know that you have left your S Pen behind. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to enable it if it's not already enabled. So just go into the settings and look for advanced features, select S Pen, and then scroll down to where it says warn if S Pen is left behind. So like I mentioned, it explains here, show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. Okay, so by default when you first get the phone it should be on, but if it's not on, just check the phone and turn it on, because guys, you don't want to lose the S Pen. It's a bit pricey to replace. Okay, so I'm just going to take out the S Pen and demonstrate how it works. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I've taken out the S Pen, so I'm going to leave it on the table and then lift up my phone and walk away. Okay, so it's just notified me. Got your S Pen, it's not inside your phone. Make sure it's somewhere safe. So as you can see, the S Pen is not there in the slot. So that means I can simply go back to where I left it and pick it up. So yeah guys, this is a very useful tip. It saves you losing the S Pen and having to fork out money to replace it. Like I said, the S Pen is quite costly. You really don't want to lose it. But anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.